We'll guide you through how to get scary answers from ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT's website. Once you're there, log in with your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Now, here's where the fun begins. You want to craft your prompts carefully to elicit those spooky responses. Start by setting the mood. You can say something like, imagine you're in a haunted house or pretend you're a ghost from the Victorian era. This sets the scene and primes ChatGPT to respond in a more eerie tone. Then ask open-ended questions that encourage detailed storytelling, like what do you see in the shadows? Or tell me about the last person who visited this place. The key is to get ChatGPT to dive deep into its imagination. You can also use prompts that involve mystery or the supernatural, such as describe the feeling of being watched in the dark, or what secrets does the old mansion hold? Remember, the more specific and vivid your prompts, the more likely you are to get a chilling response. If ChatGPT's answers aren't quite hitting the mark, try tweaking your prompts by adding more detail or unusual elements. You might say, in this haunted forest, what whispers do you hear among the trees? Or what happens when the clock strikes midnight in this cursed village? This helps guide the AI's storytelling in the direction you want. And there you have it. With a bit of creativity and the right questions, you can get ChatGPT to spin some truly scary tales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.